So this all these warning lights you can see here on the instrument panel is as a no, of course, apart from the low fuel warning. But all these ones you could see here flashing is as a result of a stupid move mechanic did on this car. This is Peugeot 508. This is the facelifted model. It's specifically 2015 model. So he did a stupid thing simply because of the brake pad. He didn't know how to change the rear brake pads and damage and caused all these things. And that is the electronic parking braking system is damaged. Of course, the cost of fixing it at almost, I don't know how to say that. I mean, we are looking at close to 300 or thereabout thousands of naira, if not more. We haven't even seen it, the mechanism or the tire assembly. So if your Peugeot 508 has this, be very careful. This means electronic parking brake. So know who you give your vehicle to change the brake pad. Otherwise, you end up spending over 300,000 or close to 500,000 for all these warnings to go off, just to change the brake pads. So Peugeot 508 is not 406, 307, or even 504. So be very careful. These cars have more complex systems, so it's not everybody that understands how to do a minor repair or replacement. Like I said, you need to see how much I've seen this thing cost online. So we are trying to see if we can get one here, but not been able to do that. So be very careful. They are not cheap, and don't give anyhow person to change your brake pads, or you could end up with this unexpected heavy high cost of repair.